Take. Useful English sentences. Simple tenses. Present, past, and future.
I take the bus to work every morning. I took the bus to work yesterday. I will take the bus to work tomorrow. You take great care of your family. You took great care of your grandparents last week. You will take great care of your new puppy. He takes a shower before going to bed. He took a shower after the game yesterday. He will take a shower when he gets home. She takes beautiful pictures with her camera. She took many pictures during the trip. She will take more pictures at the wedding. It takes about 20 minutes to get there. It took longer than we expected. It will take only a few minutes to finish. We take a walk after dinner every evening. We took a walk around the park yesterday. We will take a walk after dinner tonight. You take your responsibilities seriously. You took your responsibilities seriously from the beginning. You will take your responsibilities even more seriously. They take their children to school every morning. They took their children to the zoo last weekend. They will take their children to the beach this summer.